Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Logisim, the tools we're going to in the lecture on Windows system. First, you need to log in your Piazza and go to Resources. And you scroll down and you will see there's a Digital Design Tools tab. And here the first link is tells you how to install on Mac OS, and then the two tools you need to download is these two links, the Logisim, this version that we use, and the second one is the FISM. So if you download them, I already downloaded here, and you can see they are like a .jar is it needs Java's environment. So basically you need to download Java. So what you can do is you just type java.com, then Java download, and then agree and start download. Since I already downloaded here and you can install it, just click install and then close. Then you can go back to the folder that you download your Logisim and FISM, and you can double click it, and then it will automatically open with Java. So see you have the tools, you can add your logic gates and start to use the Logisim. Similarly, for the FISM, you can just click this .jar file, and then you start to run the FISM, so then you can build your finite state machine.